Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. We are comparing and contrasting two big brands, two well-known brands, two fantastic brands. This is GoBiotix's Lectin Defense, absolutely fantastic, and Cara MD's Lectin Guard, incredible as well. But each one has their own advantages. They are both non-GMO, which is nice and something that I always look for in a supplement, that there's no genetically modified organisms in it. Lectin Defense is in a GMP certified facility. I believe Dr. Cara's are as well, so kind of a tie there. So what is the big advantage here? Now, Dr. Cara's is doctor formulated, which, proves to me that, when you actually have a physician who cares about health, that's a big advantage. They both have a bunch of things that are going to help with lectin defense. That means lining the inside of your stomach and helping you digest those lectin proteins that you need. I do like Lectin Guard's ingredients. They've got a lot of vegan ingredients like slippery elm, bladderwrack powder, orca fruit powder. Those are all things that kind of create that lining to your intestinal system that allows, like slippery elm, allows things to kind of slip through and glide through correctly and aids with digestion. So a lot of real good things there. One of the biggest things that I like about Dr. Cara's supplement is that it is vegan. And if you're having any issues with digestion, adding in animal byproducts into your diet may not be a good thing. As much as I love a good steak as much as anyone, adding in too much animal proteins into your digestive tract can be a real negative. So that's where I always give Dr. Cara the advantage. You don't just have to have a vegan diet or a vegetarian diet, but the idea that you're not adding animal byproducts into your supplements is a huge advantage. Now, they both got great ingredients. They both have, for example, bladderwrack powder. Dr. Cara, you're going to be taking 4 a day is the recommended serving, where GoBiotix, you're taking 2 a day, and they're both a 30-day supply. So you're actually, when you look at it, inside of this, you're getting twice as many capsules out of Dr. Cara's. You're just getting more of the good stuff. You're getting twice as much of the good stuff. Same size capsules, but Dr. Cara's giving you twice as many in the same size container. That's interesting. All right, folks, both are fantastic. Because it's doctor formulated in the USA, non-GMO, and actually has more slippery. They both have bladderwrack, but they both have a lot of the same ingredients, but you're getting a lot more per serving. I'm gonna lead with Dr. Cara's Lectin Guard as my favorite, but go ahead and pick out your favorite. You won't be disappointed. Thanks again for watching, and adios amigos.